Hey guys, Bryan with Tembo Tusk here. We're gonna do a really quick recipe here. It's stuffed bell peppers of the Halloween variety. They look like little jack-o'-lanterns. Some of the things you'll need: rice, day-old rice, pound and a half of beef, chopped onions, mozzarella, spices, a bowl, and a steam tray. Let's get started. All right, so your first step, once you cut out your face into your bell peppers, is you're gonna take the top off, scoop out all the guts, set those aside, you don't need them. Once we've done that to our bell peppers, you'll take them over to your Skottle and you're gonna just brown them, soften them up a little bit on each side. And once you have all four of those done, then we're gonna move on to our meat, onions, and rice and make a mix out of that. All right, we've cleaned out our bell peppers, had a couple casualties along the way. I ate his cap, and this guy, I might have ripped his face a little bit, but that's fine. We're gonna eat them anyways. So, take your bell peppers, preheat your Skottle, and toss them down on there and get them nice and softened up. All right, you're gonna throw your ground beef and onions to your liking, as well as your spices on the Skottle now. I'm just gonna throw a handful in there, like that much. All right. Once your meat's all done, pull it to the side, let the oil and the grease and all that good stuff drain out into the center of the Skottle, and we'll pull that out using a paper towel. All right, once you've taken your grease and fats away, push your meat back to the center. We're gonna season this up using salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some Italian seasoning. And then we're also gonna add our day-old rice. Oh, and also tomato sauce. All right, our next step is to take our jack-o'-lantern peppers that have cooled off, get a little spoon, we're gonna stuff them. And then if you have any extras, make sure you have a little bowl, because we're going to use that in the next step. All right, turns out we're not going to use the bowl. Leave your leftover mix in there, get it nice and flat, because what we're going to do is we're actually going to put the bell peppers back in the Skottle, stick them there in the rice and meat mix, and then we're gonna add the second can of tomato sauce in there. Once we do that, we'll spread our cheese on top, put the lid over it, put it on low heat, and let it all mingle together. All right, we've had these guys sitting in here for about 5 minutes. We're gonna throw the two tops that we didn't eat and make them into our little jack-o'-lanterns. And yeah, you're ready to serve them up. Yeah. We're gonna do that again. All right, now that you've cut your jack-o'-lanterns all up, your bell jack-o'-lanterns, okay.